In this video, we'll see how to create mind maps using MarkMap in MassiveDiag. Let's generate code using ChatGPT or Claude to visualize. Your MarkMap code can include any mathematical or chemical equations, HTML, code blocks, tables, etc. This is your full code. Copy the code and head over Bibsit website. You will land on the home page. Log in with your credentials or sign up for a free account to unlock editor features. From the top left editor drop-down, choose MassiveDiag. Now the MassiveDiag editor is visible. Paste your MarkMap code into the editor and choose the diagram type. Then, click Create Diagram. Your mind map will instantly appear on the right side. You can expand, collapse, and adjust nodes, making it easy to organize ideas visually in real time. Once you're happy with the result, export your mind map in PNG, SVG, PDF, or doc format for easy sharing and use. I have downloaded the diagram as a PNG file. Let's take a look. With MarkMap in MassiveDiag, creating structured and interactive mind maps is quick and simple.